Your brain doesn't care if you're rich. It doesn't care about financial freedom. It doesn't care about your goals. It cares about one thing: survival. And in the modern world, that survival wiring is keeping you poor. For most of human history, survival meant avoid danger, stay with the tribe, eat when food is available, conserve energy, not build wealth, not invest, not delay gratification. Your brain evolved for short-term safety, not long-term strategy. And money is a long-term game. That's the first conflict. When you buy something new phone, new clothes, eating out, online shopping, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine rewards immediate action, saving money, investing, building skills. Those don't give instant rewards, so your brain chooses the faster pleasure. Not because you're weak, because you're wired that way. Investing feels scary. Starting a business feels risky. Changing careers feels dangerous. Your brain sees uncertainty as threat. But here's the truth: modern wealth requires calculated risk. Your survival brain wants certainty. Wealth requires stepping outside certainty. That's the second conflict. We are tribal creatures. If everyone around you spends everything, avoids investing, fears money, hates rich people, your brain wants to fit in. Standing out feels unsafe. Financial growth often requires different behavior from your environment. That triggers discomfort. Most people retreat back to normal. Wealth is not about intelligence. It's about overriding default programming. It's about delaying dopamine, tolerating uncertainty, thinking long-term, accepting temporary discomfort. The brain isn't the enemy, but it must be trained. If you understand this, you stop blaming yourself, you stop thinking you lack discipline, you realize you're fighting evolution. And now that you know, you can win.